my god, the GTA 6 is out on pre-order. Hello guys, welcome to Zeke the Programming Guide channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to pre-order the GTA 6, which just started their pre-order yesterday, like literally early hours of today. So I'm literally excited about the Grand Theft Auto 6 that's literally out on pre-order, and let's go check out the trailer and try to pre-order. Yes, so I'm literally at the Rockstar's website. Yeah, that's the main website. So I'm just going to try to pre-order the 6 of GTA. So just go to games and just try to search for it one after the other, or you can just literally just search by typing. So let's wait, it's loading up. And I saw from the video I watched from someone that actually pre-ordered, it's going to take like literally 147 days. That's a whooping sum of 4 months, but it's going to be a what, right? It's going to worth the wait actually, because you're literally been waiting for the GTA 6. Yes. So let's get right into it. So, and it's going to be available on your PS5 as well. You can see the intro of it. So once it keeps scrolling, it's just going to, you can see the Ultimate Edition, and let's just keep scrolling down. Wow, I love this literally. It's so beautiful and amazing. We all know how it has been for us to actually wait, so let's try watch the trailer. Yes, so we're going to watch the trailer before I show you how to actually pre-order. So okay, it's going to take a while to actually load up, so let's just wait and wait. Okay, you can see the trailer. Oh my god, but let's just get right into the video, of course. So let's keep scrolling till we see where we can actually apply for a pre-order. You can see a wish list, so you can just choose if it's a PS or a Xbox Series. So I'm just going to go for that. So click right there and wait for it to load up. Oh my god, you can see literally here. You can actually add it to your wish list, but of course that's not why we are here. So you can see choose an edition. So there's the 6 and there is the Ultimate Edition, and also, so we're just going to go for the Ultimate Edition, of course. Click on that and let's wait for it. You can see the amount on pre-order is literally a sum of $100, right? So all you just need to do is just place your order. I'm not going to place my order because my credit card is actually low. Yes, so you can just click on it and sign in and you're good to go. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and comment, like, share. See you in my next video. Bye.